Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable Do Not Disturb at Night notifications for Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to the app, then click on My Account after we signed in. Then I'm going to click on Settings on the top right corner. Then again I'm going to click on Notifications, so if you guys have been following. Then there's the Do Not Disturb at Night, it's turned off, so we're going to turn it on. So when this is turned on, you won't receive any notifications between the hours of 23 up to 8. So it's as easy as that. Then you guys can go back and continue with your shopping. We also have different videos in our how-to playlist specifically on Made in China B2B, so make sure to guys check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.